welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, you are more than welcome. Please do want to click on the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every single time we upload a new content, which is at least once every week. Alright, so here on this channel we talk about everything, basically from hair, makeup, chit chat, general gist, life updates. I do some cleaning hacks, I do a lot of cooking, and yes, so if this is the sort of thing that you like to see, please do want to click on the subscribe button and join the family. I promise you, no dull moments, okay? No dull moments. All right, so I'm just getting ready because I have a ton of products to review today. So that particular day, I went ahead to review the Jeulia set that I got. I got this really lovely ring, and I got this bag as well. I reviewed that that particular day, but I had to redo it because there was something wrong with the audio this particular day. I don't know. Anyway, the next day was Mother's Day, and I made my way to church. Please, how many days in a year does women have? Because I really can't keep up. Anyway, you guys, I'm sure you guys remember this package that I showed you from last week. You guys anticipate something huge coming to the channel. I cannot wait to share this with you. Hi lovelies, and welcome to the segment of the video. The segment has proudly been sponsored again by Kosori. They have sent us their rice cooker, and this is the 5-liter one. This one is just so special because it is so versatile. It comes with a number of accessories and it can be used to cook a number of things. It is easy to use, touch button. Also, you find that some of the accessories are dishwasher safe. This rice cooker can cook up to 10 cups of rice. You also get an instructional manual and recipe guide that has over 30 meals in it. Now, this rice cooker is also known for its advanced fuzzy logic control temperature and timing. And what's more, it has a 17-in-1 functionality with touchscreen. It makes my life so easy. I can cook virtually anything in this. One of the great features that I find is the delay timer. So it has up to 24 hours delay timing, which means that you can literally leave your house 24 hours before you need your food and just set the timer, and it will start cooking when you set, well, once the countdown timer is off. You guys, I'm talking too much. Let me show you the functionalities of this rice cooker. So straight out of the box, you guys can tell that this is a rather compact device, and all you have to do is to take off all of the secure packaging, read all of the instructions carefully because there are some things to do before you use. And also, if you take a look at the container inside here, you will see the steam level. Just make sure that you are adhering to all of the warning signs, and it will just help you use this product a lot longer. Also, you get this steam container here where you have to empty the steam that gets trapped in there from time to time. All I had to do to use this device for the first time is to just fill the water up till the steam level, plug in the device and set the mode to steam. And then once that was done, I just went ahead to try out the device. I cooked 3 cups of rice to try this out because I was getting ready for dinner. All I had to do was wash the rice and put that in the container there, and I filled it up with the right amount of water. So there's different amounts to use for different types of rice. There's white rice, basmati, short grain rice, long grain rice, easy cook rice, quinoa. There's a lot of options. Check the recipe guide, and it is so easy to follow. This is how the rice comes out after adding salt and a little oil just to make my rice a bit fluffy. I've gone ahead to make some chicken as well in my double air fryer. I reviewed that a couple of weeks ago, and I just added that to my sauce. You guys, life is so easy with Kosori, and this rice cooker can make rice and beans as well. I've also made spaghetti with this particular rice cooker. I have made porridge, yam porridge in this particular one, so it's very versatile. Anyway, you guys, the next day was my husband's birthday. Well, it was the celebration of my husband's birthday. We had a lovely cake, we had a very nice steak dinner, and later that evening I went ahead to prep a whole chicken to grill. I did this in my air fryer. I will be sharing this recipe, so please look out for that. I also have a family grocery haul coming, so you guys be on the lookout for that. In this spice blend, I just had my curry powder, chicken seasoning, cayenne pepper, thyme, parsley, paprika, star anise seed, garlic powder, a bit of sugar, salt, and some oil, as well as some soy sauce. I mixed that together and added a little oil as I went, just to make sure that everything was incorporated well into that oil. I laid down some foil paper just to make sure that I'm catching all the juices, and this just goes to sit in the fridge for a couple of days before I actually went ahead to grill it. So I also like to put this seasoning under the skin of the chicken as well. It also helps it to marinate well, and that juice just gets locked into the chicken. When I tell you guys that this chicken was juicy and it was really good. So I will give you a detailed video of how I made this chicken and how I turned it around in the air fryer in subsequent vlogs, so please look out for that one as well. Once that was done, I just crushed some salt on top of the chicken skin, and I put a fresh layer of foil paper on top of that and rolled it all together, and I let it just sit in the fridge for about 2 days before I eventually put it in my air fryer. You guys, that was not a small chicken, by the way. That was a rather large chicken, and it went into the air fryer and came out juicy. It came out really, really good, and I will definitely be sharing this recipe with you guys. Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, it's the start of a new week. As I told you guys that we stay in the village, and it is quite a distance, like commuting to work and taking the boys to school. So it's safe to say that the boys are in the car for a while, and it takes a while for us to get home, get to school. The boys are constantly snacking in the car, and sometimes the car just gets a bit dirty. Well, for example, like today there's a Sunday, we spend about an hour on the road to church and an hour back, so it takes a while to get to church and get back, so we have to pack snacks and that for the boys. So yeah, the car gets messy. I just want to freshen up the car. Usually my husband does this, but I've received this product. I hope you guys can see that. I received this product from this amazing brand. It's called Minthouz. I'm going to be keeping this one in the car. We'll be unboxing it with you just so that you get to see what it comes with. The car is a mess right now, and you guys can understand that with two boys, and because we have to commute long hours, the boys are constantly snacking in the car. So yeah, the car is currently messy, but this is what it comes with. So we have a manual, we have the vacuum itself, a bag, a replacement filter, a bunch of accessories, so you're able to get to hard to reach places. Finally, it comes with a C-type charger that you can use in the car. You can use it to power the vacuum. This is what it looks like. It has a power button here, obviously the brand name on there. That's the vent, and also the charging port is there. And here is where you're able to attach all of those nozzles, just to be able to collect all the dirt. You can also take out all of this and give it a good wash. This comes off, so you're able to replace this filter once it gets dirty. So let's put this to the test and see how it cleans. I'm just going to show you what the car looks like right now before we clean, and I'm going to show you what it looks like afterwards. Anyway, thank you again to Minthouz for sponsoring this segment of the video. So they've also given my subscribers some discounts, so use my discount code as displayed on your screen. I'll also leave that in the description box so you guys can check that out and get yourself this amazing. The reviews on Amazon, I wouldn't even lie, the reviews on Amazon are very good. My husband has used this one, so I won't even lie, and he's giving me really good reviews. It has a very long battery life, so when you charge it, you can get a couple of uses out of it before you have to charge it again. So this is what the car currently looks like. This is the passenger seat where I sit most of the time. This is most of the dirt that you see in the corner. This is the driver's seat. Yeah, so it's not so much here, but where the real mess is at the back. There's crumbs on the chair, the crumbs on the floor. Yeah, so that's what the car is currently looking like. This time last week, my husband cleaned the car using this same device. So this week again, I'm going to give it a go, and I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then we're going to be done, because I can only keep this up once a week. It's really not complicated at all you have to do is more like a plug and play situation, and you just take the brush over and over the surfaces. It has a good suction power, honestly. I feel like it's a very good product, and I would definitely recommend. This is what it's looking like after I have gone over the back. I mean, all those crumbs are gone. You can hardly see any dirt at all. That's the back of the car, and I will show you the front as well. This is the driver's seat. There's really nothing to see there. In addition to what's in the vacuum, I also got some of these in the cup holders at the back. See the amount of dirt this was able to pick up. So it's really good, you guys. I would recommend this 100%. All I have to do now is take this apart, clean it up, and then put it back in the boot, so that we can have something to use next week Sunday. This goes here. I think I forgot to show you that. And this goes here, right? So it kind of looks like this. So the air comes out this way, and the vacuum suction is this way. So yeah, when you're done with it, you can just put it back in this bag and keep it in the boot. You know, just have that on hand, so that we can always have something to clean the car with. Yeah, because this is a recurring mess. Alright, you guys, I will see you in the course of the vlog. Bye. Alright, so finally, before we go, I just wanted to show you these 3 amazing footwear that I got from Fitville. They are no stranger to us here on the channel. They've sent us some amazing shoes in the past, and in addition to that, they have sent us 3 new ones this week. You guys would do well to click on the link in my description box. It will take you directly to their website. They've also made some amazing discount available to my subscribers. You guys go ahead and click on that link. Thank me later, because it is absolutely worth the hype. Fitville has been saving lives since God knows when, and their shoes are so comfortable. They also have shoes for diabetics as well. You would do well to go on their website and check out all the amazing footwear options that they have for men, women, and even children. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.